Hey y'all, I wanted me a midnight snack, but you know your girl is just trying to be strong. I am about to cut up this yellow watermelon. Wow. Do y'all see how brown that looks? Don't ask why I'm cutting this watermelon like that. I repeat, don't ask me why. Maybe I shouldn't cut it like this because I'm just over here just doing anything. But let's see. This is gonna be so good cold. Baby. Woo. That is gonna be delicious cold. Ooh wee. I'm trying to be strong and not eat no ice cream when I want a midnight snack. Baby, this thing is juicy. About the time I get done cutting it, shit, I'm gonna ate it all. One thing Grandma had was red watermelon. Oh, baby, Twinkies. We ate Twinkies so much. Y'all wouldn't believe how much we ate Twinkies. So you know what else we had? Them iced and oatmeal cookies. If we ain't had nothing else, we had that for a snack. Oh man, I miss my granny. Wow. Those were the good old days. I can't believe I'm an adult now. Like, I'm really an adult. You yellow watermelon, so juicy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna juice this bad baby. Because I know it's gonna be amazing. I want my midnight snack, y'all. It's gonna take everything in me not to walk in that pantry. I'm not doing it. Lord, release me from the shackles of walking in that pantry at nighttime and give me an unhealthy snack. At this point, throw away the whole pantry. Kitchen Envy storage container. Y'all always be asking me, where did I get my storage container from? Kitchen Envy. Kitchen Envy storage containers. I got some yellow watermelon, a pink pineapple, a regular pineapple, and some grapes. Y'all, this is just gonna have to be my midnight snack. I truly mean that from the bottom of my heart. I also bought some mixed grapes. I already cleaned and washed off. Ooh, they nice and like frozen almost too. Ooh. Wow. Until I'm walking around with my six-pack, this is what it's gonna have to be, y'all.